Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Procore for submittals. Working with submittals and Procore can feel a bit overwhelming at first, like there are too many steps before anything actually gets submitted. But once you're inside the platform, it starts to make sense. I log into my account, head to the project dashboard, and open Project Tools, then jump into Submittal section. That's basically the control center. From there, I create a new submittal, fill in the key details like title and spec section, and upload the required files, usually PDFs or images. I also assign the workflow, meaning who needs to review and approve it, and set due dates so nothing just sits there forever. Once everything looks good, I hit submit for review, and Procore automatically sends it to the right people. Always double check your attachments before submitting, because once it's in review, fixing mistakes can slow everything down. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.